Hello, myself Megha Manilal, UR15 CS34. Here there is a topology to enable static routing. Here there is 3 LAN, 1, 2 and 3 local area network and 3 wide area networks. Here I have connected a router, two switches connected with a router and two PN systems that here I am using PCs connected to the switch, and here I have assigned IP address for each of the end system. Here 192.168.10.1 in like that I have initialized the IP address for all the system. This is 10.1, 10.2, 60.1 to here 30 etc. Here I have connected assigned IP address for all the end systems. Then after that, for enabling static routing, first we have to set the IP address of all the PCs. Then for static routing means we have to manually assign the path for the packet travel. So if the user want to send a packet from one PC to the another PC, that is if you want to send a packet from 10.1 to 30.2, we have to manually assign the path for the packet to travel. If in static routing, if one path fails, that is the user manually allocates the path. If that fails, the packet cannot be sent from one source to destination. So for that, first we have to go to the router, CLI, then enable conft, then when the configuration comes, then we have to connect the topology int. First, if I am using here FA0 bar 0, enter, then IP address 192.168, then default subnet mask, assign default subnet mask, then no sh. This is how we configure. In case of connecting the WAN, instead of similarly instead of typing FA0, we have to type SC2 bar 0. If there is clock, means we should set the clock rate 64,000. This is how we type the command. Now we can check whether routing table. See, in routing table there are 3 directly connected network and 3 indirectly connected network for all the routers. See, so for one PC or the end system, it can see the existence of another PC on the other network. So all the networks are connected now. So we can, if you want to send a packet from this, ping the address of the destination, reply is coming from the destination, so the packets are successfully sent. So this is how we statically configure. If you want to send the packet from the source to the destination, the packet will be sent successfully from the source to the destination. This is how we are configuring the static routing. Thank you.